Ahead, tough times for Citi's new CEO and Coco Couture later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Thursday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. Michael Corbat learning life in the corner office can be quite a challenge. The new Citigroup CEO saying its various businesses are combating competitive and regulatory problems, as well as issues dating to the financial crisis that continue to plague the bank and its peers. Citi posting more than $2 billion in charges, but managed to post a higher quarterly profit as trading revenue rebounded. Brian Moynihan knows all about those challenges. His company, Bank of America, reported a decline in earnings as it took more charges to clean up mortgage-related problems. Checking the shares of the companies right now, Citi down about 3%, Bank of America down just under 2%. The economic picture today looking brighter than bank results. Our daily digit, 335,000. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits, that's the lowest in 5 years. The decline of 37,000 from the previous week, the biggest in nearly 3 years. Also, housing starts jumped more than 12% to their highest rate since June 2008. Groundbreaking was boosted by a 20.3% surge in multifamily unit construction. Europe, Japan, and India have joined the U.S. in grounding Boeing 787. The move comes after a second incident involving battery failure caused one of the Dreamliner passenger jets to make an emergency landing. Boeing said in a statement it was confident the 787 was safe and it stood by the plane's integrity. The move comes as Boeing recaptured the crown as the world's largest maker of passenger jets last year, overtaking Airbus for the first time in a decade. Shares closed at $74.34 Wednesday and are now at about $73.45 or so. Boeing clipped, eBay taking off. The e-commerce site reporting holiday quarterly results that beat Wall Street's expectations, thanks to a boom in mobile shoppers, strong marketplace sales, and a bump in PayPal transactions. Revenue forecast for 2013 in line with analyst estimates as the company invests for future growth opportunities. Shares rose above $54 in the pre-market, and they're now about the same. A bricks and mortar retailer faring well, too. Our Axel Threlfel joins us from London with more on Carrefour. Axel, signs of stability there in France, yes?
Yeah. I mean, it really doesn't look too bad, Lisa. This is Europe's biggest retailer and the world's second biggest after Walmart. Actually had a pretty decent Q4. Price cuts helped in its French core market, as did some revamped product ranges. I won't go into details, but apparently they did quite a lot of that in the quarter. That was in stark contrast, though, with Southern Europe, which, surprise, surprise, continues to drag. But France makes up 40% of Carrefour's sales, so these numbers, which were in line but solid nevertheless, do speak to how resilient France has been. China, by the way, also improving, and Brazil also pretty robust. So all in all, not bad, save for the very south of Europe, which, as I said, is no great surprise, Lisa.
I like this story just to hear you say France. It's so very nice.
Yeah, you know, we've got to put on the accent a little bit over here in Europe, seeing as you guys can't really do it.
No, we can't. France.
Sorry.
All right, Axel, thanks so much. Not sure if Carrefour sells these next items, but I'd buy them. Designers in Shanghai showcase their love for cocoa at the World Chocolate Wonderland fashion show in Shanghai, yes. Launched by cosmetics company MAC, models clad in mostly edible garments and headgear there made their way down the runway, hoping chunks of chocolate wouldn't drop from their gowns, destroying the designs. Sweet, yes, but I want to know, what happens if you sweat? Ugh, that could get ugly. That is the latest of 3 Times Square this Thursday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube channel at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Lisa Bernhard. This is Reuters.